Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Just got some winter leopard print pocket hat. It's amazing. I want to show you guys. It's amazing as well. This is really cool. I can't wait to see how they're gonna look. I just opened it before, and it's amazing as well. So we're gonna make them looking really cool. So I'm gonna take this one down because this one is cool. It's all black. So let's make it look cool, different as well. I don't know if it's gonna looking really cool. Yes or no? I think it look amazing together. This is really cool. Honestly, the vibe. I'm looking for where the front page go. You just have to try to balance where it look cool on you. I think this is amazing. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? I think it look cool. I'm liking the bokeh hands as well. The level print is amazing. This is another ball game. This is another different vibe. Don't forget to put your necklace, your ring, your wristwatch, your bracelet. You need to put them on to complement the bokeh hat as well. This is really cool. Honestly, I like the vibe. Was the suit as well, the blazer and the trousers as well. Amazing. Everything just cool together. It complement the bokeh hat. It made the bokeh hat look cool. In case you don't like the bokeh hat, this is another way to like it. I'm giving you the guy the styling tip because I just got the holder and I'm trying them on. The way I put them on, I'm quite happy because they're looking really cool, really stylish. You can wear it to anywhere and your bokeh hat is going to be amazing. I like the color as well. The vibe, cool. Honestly, really, really nice. I'm impressed the way he looks. It's not that big. The other one is a bit more like big, but this one kind of settled, kind of cool. I quite like it as well. The material is very nice materials as well. If I come closer, you guys can see very cool, very nice as well. And I like the color. It just go well with the jacket as well. I like it. It go well with the blazers as well. I like the way how everything look. Very stylish. If I give you guys 360, you can see how cool it is. Then we put ISO Giuseppe on. Very cool, very stylish as well. Everything just cool. Amazing. Let me put my sunglasses on. Let's see if you're gonna looking really cool together. I don't know. Or is it gonna be too much with it? This is amazing. I like this. This is really cool. Amazing. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? Yes, it does. I like the bokeh hat is very cool, very stylish as well. I like the vibe. I'm quite relaxing the way it looks. Does it look cool? Yes or no? I'm checking. I'm looking. Because I just got the old one. I'm saying like, does it look right together? I think it does. I like it. Very stylish as well. Leopard, amazing. Ah, you need to go and get your home bokeh hat leopard one. It's gonna be amazing. You see the way I make it look stylish as well. Let me even put my toe bag on. Let's see if you're gonna looking really classic together. Yeah, this is it. Amazing. This is even go more stylish as well. Cool as well. Honestly, this is really cool though. But yeah, I'm quite impressed because when it first come with the holder, it's kind of inside the bag. Quite not get the vibe properly, but when I open it, when I put it on, I'm quite impressed the way it looks. The style as well, cool together, the vibe. Don't forget to put your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch on, and your perfume, your roll, put them on because you will make the bokeh hat look cool, more stylish as well. And people will look you like, this is really amazing. This is really stylish. And I see, this is cool. This is cool. I can't lie. This is cool. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Amazing. Amazing. Honestly, it's cool. The vibe is another level. And I'm impressed the way he looks. Honestly. Let's try another different outfit. Let's see, this bokeh hat is amazing. I like the leopard bokeh hat. It's the coolest vibe as well. Then we'll put different outfit on to keep it cool. And I like the way it share low together and the joggers as well with the Sharkcoolstyles logos. Everything amazing. Honestly, the bokeh hat coolest as well. You need to go and get your own bokeh hat as well and leopard on because you're gonna looking really cool. This is amazing. Honestly, I'm looking, I'm checking, I'm trying to figure out the front, the back. Then I figure out the front side as well. Then it make more sense. Everything look cool. really stylish. Honestly, you can go anywhere like this with this bucket hat. People will give you a compliment because people, they can't tell like how cool you look, how stylish, how everything look amazing on you. You see how cool this bucket hat look on me? You're gonna looking really cool too. Just get yourself bucket hat, then come back and style them the same way I'm styling mine. You see, I put my joggers on, very nice as well. Get pocket there, and with the shirt as well. Everything amazing, very cool, very cozy. With the bucket hat, amazing. Honestly, I'm quite impressed the way the bucket hat look. I don't know if the bucket hat is gonna be amazing like this. And when I put them on, I'm quite impressed because it just gives me the vibe that I'm looking for. And I'm happy. Everything just cool. Let me try something else. Let me put sunglasses on to see, is it gonna be too much or no? Or is it gonna be amazing, 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 amazing. You guys can see how cool this bucket hat look. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. This is really stylish. Honestly, different vibe we go from here. We can make anything look cool. Stylish vibe. We go from here. You need to come back for more because you're gonna benefit from the hats I just got now. See the way I make them look stylish. And if you step out right now, people will give you compliment because people know you look cool. People know you have great fashion sense. The way the hat look, I'm quite happy and I'm liking it. It complements the hat. It complements the sunglasses as well. It keep it cozy, keep it nice and fitting as well. The leopard one, amazing. We can go anywhere. People will know we got great fashion sense. They will give us compliment. Honestly, this is really cool. I like the vibe. It's amazing vibe as well. Cool. This is cool. I'm checking again because I'm excited. When I first go them, I quite not know what it is, how it's gonna turn out. But I know I got different bouquet. But this leopard one, amazing. This is cool. This is different level. And I'm happy the way he loves. Honestly, the vibe, amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm impressed. Honestly, I'm not joking. I'm impressed. You need to go and get your home bucket hat, the leopard one. Go and get them. It will keep you warm as well. It will keep your hair warm, cozy as well. If you step out, if it's the cold wind, it will protect your hair as well. And you keep warm and cozy and stylish at the same time. Because the way I'm looking right now, I'm quite happy the way he looks. Everything amazing on me. Why you not try the same way as well? See how they're gonna looking cool on you. Go and get yourself okay and come back and start in the same way I'm styling mine. Press your joggers, your shirts as well. Put your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch, your necklace, pull them on and put your sunglasses on because it's gonna looking really cool, really stylish. Trust me, people will give you compliment. If I step out there, people will give me compliment. People will be very surprised, like, oh, I like that, huh? I like it. And I don't want to be getting that compliment on my own. I don't want to be greedy. I want you to get that compliment too. I want you to go on a date, dinner, brunch, any event you want to go. I want people to appreciate your present because you deserve it. On a Valentine Day, you can see side this bucket hat and your date is going to be, your Valentine Day is going to be amazing. It's going to go well. Trust me. So my coolest, let's move on to the next. The last one, I like the last one. Very clean, very classy. The way we made the bucket hat look, the leopard print bucket hat, amazing. I like it. And the hat is well, very cool. The color vibes, the way it's giving me with his suit on. And I like the way we put the blazer on together to make the blazer look cool together. Then we put sunglasses on, amazing. Then we put straight baggy, amazing cargo trousers as well with the Vivian Westwood logo stylish together. Everything amazing. The way we made the bucket hat look, me too, I'm quite impressed. When I open it, I didn't know they're all gonna turn out very nice, very stylish like this. I'm quite happy. Honestly, I can go anywhere and people will give me a compliment because I deserve it. Because the way the bucket hat look, it's amazing. You need to go and get your home bucket hat as well because you're gonna look really cool. And you don't just have to get just random bucket hat. You need to get the leopard one because you're gonna look really cool. You see the color? You see the way I make them look? Me too, I like it. I don't even know they're gonna look cool like this, but I just put my fashion sense idea into it. Then this is amazing and I'm impressed. You too, you're gonna be impressed when you finish and people will give you compliment. Trust me, 100%. If you step out like this, you're gonna get that compliment because you deserve it. I'm not joking, because the vibe I'm getting right now, I'm quite happy the way he look, and people will give you compliments too because I'm looking cool. Don't forget to pull your necklace, your ring, your bracelet, your wristwatch. You need to pull them on because it will compliment the outfit. It will make the outfit look so cool, so elegant, classic as well, and timeless look. You're gonna be having good day. If you wanna go any dinner, brunch, any date, event, put this on with your bucket leopard print on. Amazing, amazing. Honestly, this is really cool. I'm happy I got this bouquet, the leopard one, because I got just only the black one, and I'm happy when I got this because the way I put them together right now, very nice as well. And it keep my hair more cozy, more warm as well. I'm impressed. Honestly, you're gonna be impressed too if you put your own bouquet hat on as well. Just put the blue blazer on, then you're gonna be looking really cool. Then you put any cargo trouser you have, even though you don't have the same outfit that I put them on, or the outfit the one you have, you can put any outfit the one you go, put them on with your bouquet hat. Then it's gonna be amazing. I like this bouquet hat. I'm feeling joyful that I got them. And hey, look, with the sunglasses as well, very cool. It's not that big, it's not that small. It just fits me properly, and I'm happy the way he look. When I step out of this, I'm gonna get lots of compliment. And you too, if you get your own bouquet hat, the leopard print one, style them like this, and you're gonna get lots of compliment. On the Valentine's Day, try this. You're gonna be having a good vibe day. Honestly, people will be looking like, and your Valentine's Day is gonna be an amazing day, and you're gonna be happy. I like this. Honestly, I'm quite happy with the way he look. Let me put my toe bag on. Let me see if he's gonna look really classy together. Yeah, it does. Together, very stylish. I like it. Very cool. Honestly, this is amazing. I didn't know they're gonna look really cool like this. This bucket are cool. It's giving me some different happy vibe, and I'm happy the way he look. This is why I told you guys I don't want to keep that fashion sense idea to myself. That's why I'm showing you guys. I want you to go on a date, dinner, brunch, any event. I want people to give you a compliment because your happiness is my joy. If you style your own bucket hat like this, if you get that compliment, the way you're gonna be feeling, honestly, you're gonna be you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be feeling cool, smiling, have an amazing day. Because if you step out like this with this bucket hat, people will be looking like kind of cool. Plus the way the blazer look together, it's like they make the bucket hat together with the blazer. And I like this suede blazers as well, very cool. Together with the leopard print bucket hat, amazing. Honestly, I'm impressed. I'm happy. Honestly, if you can feel the way I'm feeling right now, I'm all over the moon. I'm like kind of happy, then exciting for you guys because I might not be able to start these outside because I'm outside something different when I want to get out, when I want to go out. But you can see me right now. If you do the same thing, the way I start mine, and you step out, you will come by, you drop it on the conversation because you're going to get that compliment that you never even expecting. Because people will be like, kind of, wow, you look cool, you look nice. But it's the toe bag. If you have toe bag, don't worry. It's unisex. You might be thinking it's a girl. No, it's not. Honestly, you can make it look cool. It's for ladies. It's for men, gentlemen like me right now, like you. You can make it look cool, more stylish as well if you know how to start. And that's why I'm showing you guys. It go well with the leopard print okay hat on, and again with my suit on, and with my cargo pant trousers on, and again with my Vivienne Westwood logos. Amazing. I'm quite happy, honestly. Cool. Amazing. Honestly, I know you're gonna be happy if you do the same thing as well. So I don't even know which one to go for that look cool together with the bucket hat, the first one, the second one, the last one. You just go to the conversation, drop it, let me know which one because your opinion matter as well, because your happiness is my happiness and your joy is my joy. If you happy, I'm happy. We all happy as well. So Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely, amazing, cool, beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.